Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the object you want to resize, frame, group, or layer, so the inspector shows W and H values. Once selected, use the right-hand panel to read width and height, X/Y position, and current constraints. This tells you how children will react. If you need precision, enable Pixel Preview and Snap to Pixel. Make sure auto layout or masks are noted. They change behavior. Now, prepare target dimensions or a scale factor so you can resize predictably without guessing values. Next, choose a resizing method that matches your intent. Drag corner handles for quick visual changes. Hold Shift to preserve aspect ratio and Option or Alt to scale from center. For exact results, type values into W and H in the inspector. You can lock the ratio icon if you want proportional changes. Use the Scale tool, K, when you need to scale strokes and effects together. Once resized, review constraints, layout grids, and auto layout settings so child elements and spacing update correctly and nothing collapses unexpectedly. To complete the task, inspect strokes, effects, and text layers. Change text resizing mode to auto width, auto height, or fixed to control wrapping. If something shifts oddly, check auto layout settings and switch between fixed size and hug contents. Reapply padding and spacing as needed. For stubborn issues, use undo or open version history to revert. Finally, test responsive behavior by changing frame sizes or simulating device widths to confirm constraints and layout behave as intended. This prevents surprises when used elsewhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.